Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best, never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first news that we have is from Huawei. Huawei has confirmed the launch of Mate 40 series and the launch date is 22 October 2020. The launch event will take place in China and Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus is tipped to be the most premium model on that day. Let's see what price Huawei unveil on October 22 for the series. And will the series arrive in India or not? This will be also unveiled on that day. So let's wait for the launch event. Next news that we have is from Twitter. Twitter flagged a tweet by Donald Trump in which US President claimed he was immune to coronavirus, saying it violated the social media platform's rules about misleading information related to COVID-19. At number 3, we have news from Lenovo. Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon has been launched as the latest model in company's Yoga series. The laptop carries a moonlight finish, 11th Gen Intel Core processor and Quad HD Plus display. The price of the laptop is not revealed yet by the company and the laptop will debut in Hong Kong and Singapore market by mid-October. Let's see if the laptop arrive in India or not and at what price. Listing further, we have news from OnePlus. OnePlus Nord is getting a special edition on October 14 alongside OnePlus 8T. Teaser by the company suggests that the special edition will be a sandstone black variant. Right now, OnePlus Nord is available in blue marble and grey onyx color. On October 14, OnePlus will release OnePlus 8T, OnePlus Buds Z, OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z and OnePlus Nord Special Edition. Moving forward to the next update that we have is from Vivo. Vivo Y73s is now officially launched by the company with a triple rear camera setup, MediaTek Dimensity 720 processor, 5G connectivity and 8GB 128GB storage variant. The phone is initially limited to Chinese market and is priced at 1998 yuan and is available in two color options, Black Mirror and Silver Moon. Let's see when Vivo officially launched the phone in Indian market and at what price. Next news that we have is from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime Indian pricing is tipped via Amazon. According to the reports, battery and Super AMOLED display is the main highlight of the phone, where the phone is packing a 6000 mAh battery. The price leaked via Amazon is 16,499 rupees and the phone will be launching very soon. Let's wait for the phone and see if it will be really a mega entertainer or not. At number 7, we have news from Vivo. Vivo V20 price in India is tipped via Flipkart and set to be 24,990 rupees. The phone is powered with Snapdragon 720G processor and the phone will be launched in India on October 13, 2020. Next news that we have is from Redmi. Redmi Smart TV A65 with 4K display, 60Hz refresh rate, 64-bit Cortex A53 processor is now launched. The TV comes with HDR support and is launched in China for now with a price tag of 2,599 yuan, which is roughly equivalent to 28,300 rupees in India. However, Indian launch for the TV has not yet confirmed by the company, but there is a chance that Xiaomi reveal the TV for Indian markets. We have to wait for the TV's official announcement in India. So guys, the last update that we have is from Apple. This is somehow a bad news because reports claimed that the Apple Studios won't be launching along with Apple iPhone 12 lineup. Few reports also suggested that the Apple AirTags are not launching this year, but they will be launched by March 2021. Apple AirPods Studio are headphones which will be used more for production works. So Apple will launch them alongside the new MacBook lineup, which will be launched sometime next month. Let's see what Apple officially announced on October 13 in the event. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Your support is incredible, so please follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram and Twitter handles are available in the description. Please comment your views in the comment section and help us improve. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.